Alright, working on Audi A3 with the HomeLink buttons. The symptom is you press the button and nothing happens. You don't get any return on the button where you have that nice spring feedback from the button clicks. The issue is the buttons behind the panel actually pop off. So there's two tabs here, there, and then another two on the back side. So let me show you what happens. So up in the back side here is where this module clips in place. That's where it would normally sit. Problem is the design is not very snug, so if it's sitting here, it can actually, if you press a bunch, or I don't know if the vehicle vibrates maybe, it'll actually pull back and rock back like that. And you can see how easily I can clip and unclip this. So I can unclip it and then not get any button feedback, and then if I clip it in here, then I can actually press the button and get it to work. So that's the issue. In order to get up top here, what you're going to have to do is remove this cover first. This is actually just sitting on with clips, so there is a bunch of tabs around this cover. So what I did was I put a plastic tool between this edge and the top edge here and pried down. Make sure you have a hand here to catch it because it will pop down quite quickly once you get that off. Once you've gotten that off, you're going to have to next get this system out. So this one's a little bit tougher. There is a clip on the right and the left side, and then also on the back center there's also a clip, and then on the front side these two white tabs are actually just slid up under the edge here. So ideally you get the back down first, and then so back down first, and then these two tabs are sitting up here, and then you would pull it out like that. So pointer is, there is a window here that you can see through with like a flathead screwdriver. You can come up the side, so where my finger is right here, and you can actually push the tab in, and visually with the flashlight you can see that you've actually gotten the tab undone. And same with the left side, you can just sneak through here and see with your eyes just to make sure you're in the right spot. Obviously make sure you don't puncture any wires or hit these boards here. The center one's a little bit more difficult just because it's a spring clip, so you're going to have to pull down with some force to get that to come off. But once you've removed that, you can leave it hanging, and then that will give us access to the HomeLink buttons here. So the issue with my cover is the actual tabs on the top side are completely broken. So you can see there's a break in the middle there. So I'm super gluing those back together and slightly bending the tabs in too, so there's a little bit more pressure on the system. Hopefully this will work. All right, here's me putting the cover back on. Just pops back on. So yeah, you can start really from any side, but it's pretty easy to get under here. And then the buttons are now back in with my super glue on the tabs, and the tabs bent in slightly. And we have a working button. Awesome. Thanks for watching.